everybody. It's Miss Hamilton again. This time, friends, we are going to talk about things that are heavy and things that are light. Some things or some objects that we find around our house or at school or out in our neighborhood are heavy. That means they're hard to pick up. And if we pick them up, we might strain a little bit. We might go, "Ooh, this is so heavy." And then some things that we pick up, like a marker, are easy to pick up and they're easy to carry with us because they are light. So I have a little video for us to watch. It's our friend Jack, and he's going to talk to us about some things that are heavy and light. And after we watch our video, we are going to do a little activity on this pocket chart that's behind Miss Hamilton. So here we go, friends. We're going to watch together. You'll be able to see me in that little square on your screen. Let's learn about heavy and light.
Dumbbell is heavy, light, light. A paper is light, heavy, heavy. A chair is heavy, light, light. A pencil is light. Come along and sing this song, and you can get it right. What is heavy and what is light? If I say something that's heavy, move around like it's heavy. And if I say something that's light, move around like it's light. An elephant is heavy. A balloon is light. A bowling ball is heavy. A tennis ball is light. Heavy, heavy. A dumbbell is heavy. Light, light. A paper is light. Heavy, heavy. A chair is heavy. Light, light. A pencil is light. An apple is light. Big pumpkin is heavy. A big monster truck is heavy. A spoon is light. Heavy, heavy. A dumbbell is heavy. Light, light. A paper is light. Heavy, heavy. A chair is heavy. Light, light. A pencil is light. When you subscribe, you support our channel.
So
It's easy.
hopefully you got some ideas of what might be heavy and what might be light. And now we're going to work on our pocket chart, and I have some pictures, and you're going to help me sort them by what is heavy and what is light. So first I need to write the words heavy. How do you think what do you think I need to write first? What sound do you hear when I say heavy? Yeah, it's an H. So I'm going to take this piece of paper and I'm going to write the word heavy. Heavy starts with H. And we're going to put it on this side. And now I need to write the word light. What letter do I need to write first for the word light? Yeah, it's an L. Light. And we'll put it on this side. So we have heavy in blue and we have light in red. Now let's look at some of Miss Hamilton's pictures that I have for you. And I want you to use your brain. Remember, your brain is inside your head and you think. And I want you to help me decide if my pictures are heavy or if they're light. My first picture that I have is a bluebird or a blue jay. Do you think that this blue jay is heavy or do you think it's light? Would it be easy to pick up a blue jay or would it be hard? Yeah, it would be easy to hold the blue jay in our hand if we could catch him. So the blue jay is light. We're going to put him right here under the word light. Now, my next picture, friends, are you ready? My next picture is a sled or a sleigh, like Santa rides in a sleigh. Do you think a sleigh is heavy or do you think it's light? Do you think a sleigh would be easy for you to pick up? No, it would be hard. I think a sleigh is heavy. So we're going to put it on the heavy side. So we have one picture that shows heavy and we have one picture that shows light. Look at this one. It's a Lego or a block. Now it's just one block. So do you think one Lego or one block is going to be heavy or is it going to be light? Is it going to be easy to pick this block up or is it going to be hard to pick it up and carry it? Is it heavy or light? Yeah, it's light. Light. So we're going to put it right there with the bird. So we've got the bird and the block that are light. What's my next picture? Ooh, does anybody know what this is? Yeah, it's broccoli. How many of you like to eat broccoli? I like to eat broccoli. Broccoli's good for you. So let's think about it. Is broccoli heavy or light? Would it be hard to pick up the broccoli? It's pretty easy to put the broccoli on your fork and pick it up, isn't it? So that means the broccoli is light. You got it, friends. You got it. You're so smart. We got two more pictures. I've got a chair. It's hard to kind of see. The chair is white. It's a fancy chair. Do you think that chair is heavy or do you think it's light? Could you pick that chair up? Oh, I bet some of you could because you got lots of muscles. But is it heavy or is it light? The chair is heavy. We're going to put it over here with the sleigh. And I got one more. I've got an airplane. This is a real airplane, not a toy airplane. So let's think about it. Could I pick this airplane up? Could I pick it up with my hands? No, why not? Because it's heavy. That's right, it's heavy. So we're going to put it over here with our heavy things. So what did we find today, friends, that was heavy? We found a sleigh. We found a chair. We found an airplane. What else can you find at your house that's heavy? What did we find that was light? We found a bird, a block, and some broccoli. What else, friends, can you find at your house that's light? I've got one more thing for us to do. This sentence is a group of words. It says, put the objects in order from heaviest to lightest. All right, so we're just gonna look right here. I've got some more pictures and we're gonna put them in order. We're gonna start with the one that's the lightest and we're gonna end with the one that's the heaviest. So here's my pictures. I have a pumpkin. I have a feather. And I have an elephant. So we're gonna start with the heaviest one. Let me hold them up so you can see all of the pictures. A feather, an elephant, and a pumpkin. Which one of these objects, the feather, the elephant, or the pumpkin, do you think would be the heaviest? The one that weighs the most, the heaviest. Do you think it's the feather? Oops, the elephant fell down. You said no, it's not the feather. Maybe the elephant? Is the elephant the heaviest? Does the elephant weigh more than a pumpkin? Yeah, because you know what? Miss Hamilton could probably pick up a pumpkin, but I could not pick up an elephant. So the elephant is the heaviest, so it's gonna go first. First, you know what? I'm gonna write a number 1 on it because number 1 tells me it's first. All right, now we've got 2 pictures left. We've got a feather and a pumpkin. Which one of these is the heaviest? Could it be the feather? Have you ever seen a feather when it floats in the air? Kind of like a leaf. Have you ever seen a pumpkin float in the air? A pumpkin's too heavy to float in the air. So which one do you think is heavier, the pumpkin or the feather? The pumpkin. Let's put a number 2 on the pumpkin because it comes next. So the elephant is the heaviest, then the pumpkin, and which one is the lightest? What do I have left? My feather. So that must mean the feather is the lightest. Let's put a number 3. Look, we put them in order. We started with the heaviest and we went all the way down to the lightest. The elephant was the heaviest, then the pumpkin was a little bit lighter, and then the feather was even a little bit lighter. It was the lightest. So we could say heaviest, medium, lightest. Heaviest to lightest. You guys are so smart. Now I want you to pay attention when you're walking around your house or wherever you might go today. And I want you to think about things that you see. And I want you to think, are they heavy or are they light? Bye, guys.